Morning. Me, Karthik, and my members Devansh, Isha, Agne, and Niranjana of group Mentally are here to contribute our idea pollution control system. It's a solution designed to clean polluted air in a purified air. Works by HS box or a chamber in which exhaust fan is there. That fan takes polluted air inside process of filtering will happen. Then after that, the clean air will released. Root causes of the air pollution. The main causes of the air pollution are release of harmful gases, dust and smog from industries, vehicles, from burning waste materials, etc. Pollution also contributes to health impacts like breathing difficulties to people, allergies to children and elderly people, and lung diseases, and also destroy ecosystem in our planet. Pollution, where pollution problem exists. The pollution problem exists in big cities where traffic is huge. In the traffic, vehicles produce more smoke. With the smoke, our air become polluted. In industrial areas, there are harmful gases and dust particles will produce. Construction site. In construction site, there are dust particles and debris, which pollutes the air. Waste burning sites, in which when the waste is burned, toxic gas is produced. Mining areas, chemicals and dust are produced. Suffers the most. The people living in cities where smog, dust, and everything is high. In industry workers also uh, are the suffers of pollution because in industry they produces toxic gases and chemicals which become smoke and went to atmosphere. Apart from the people, I went to my neighborhood and asked many people about the pollution. In which they said they are also facing the problems with pollution. Some of them have allergy to smoke and dust. And some of them said that major pollution comes from burning of plastics in which toxic gas is produced and vehicle causes smoke in which that are mixed in the atmosphere. And with this, children and elderly people are have become allergic. System governance. We use fan or a blower to like an exhaust fan which takes in polluted air. Then we have pre-filter which filter thin particles of dust before main filtering. In the main filtering, it filters only a small minute amount of dust. Filtering house or a chamber in which this process will happen. And outlet is a pipe or something which release the purified air. Sensors and control. Sensors control is used here to measure the quality of the air. Types of sensors can be used. Gas sensor used to detect harmful gases in the air and CO2, etc. Particulate matter sensors measure the amount of dust in the atmosphere. Temperature and humidity sensors help in understanding environmental condition, etc. Testing for effectiveness. We have tested this pollution control system. First test was air quality measurement. We should test the air quality before filtering it. Second, filter efficiency test. We should check the filters are trapped the smoke or not. Third one, airflow test, and we should ensure that the fan pulls the airflow test means when the fans pull the sufficient air through the system. Leak test, we should know that the no air is leaked through the pipe. Then in which we should see that if any maintenance is there in the system. Result. Installing pollution control system in our cities or our societies will absolutely reduce the amount of pollutants in our air by acting as a giant purifiers in our society. We can breathe good oxygen because in oxygen or small dust particles is present. With this, we conclude our project. Thank you.